Hi, I'm Max, MailPro's email expert. I'm going to show you the new features we created for you. We improved our contacts to help you organize them and save time. Now you can create custom fields, add tags to your contacts, and create segments to improve your results. But how can you use these functions to improve your results? Let me explain it to you. First, we have the custom fields. These fields provide extra information that you can add to your contacts, such as name, surname, company, city, and so on. Custom fields will help you keep your contacts' information in an orderly and uniform way. You can create all the fields you want, and they can be customized. It'll be easier to find your contacts as they'll be ordered properly. You also have the possibility to choose the type of field. It can be text for a name, a number for a telephone or postal code, a date for a birthday or an appointment, true or false for simple information, like if you're married or have children, and decimal for numbers that require decimals, such as entering your annual income. You can edit the field identifier, key, to make it simpler to personalize your newsletters with dynamic fields. And the best part, you can use your fields to create segments or automatic actions. Tags are labels you can assign to your contacts to identify them with a specific activity or behavior. It's a simple way to separate contacts who belong to the same list but who have arrived there differently, or to know which of your contacts on the list has made a purchase of your product. Tags are totally personalized, and you can create as many as you want. You can add as many tags as you want to each contact. You can filter your contacts by a specific tag. Create segments to identify contacts with the same tag but in different lists. You can create an automatic action to add tags to your contacts after a behavior with your campaigns. Segments are an important part of your campaigns. They're basically search conditions that you add so that when you select your lists, you can filter the contacts you really need. Segments will help you send emails to the right audience. You can create segments based on contact fields, tags, or even the activity and behavior of the contacts. When sending segmented campaigns, you'll get better results because you'll send what your audience wants to see. It will also improve your email's reputation, reducing the possibility of falling into spam trays. The more segments you have, the better your results will be. Now you can start using all these features and see how the results of your campaigns will improve. If you want to know more about our functionalities, you can watch videos for each topic on our channel or in our video training section in mailpro.com. Thanks for preferring MailPro. I'm Max, and I'll see you in other video tutorials.